If you love smooth, creamy ice cream with that deep caramel crunch, this homemade ice cream is going to blow your mind. It's rich, perfectly sweet, and doesn't need an ice cream machine. Just a few ingredients, a little patience, and a freezer. Let's get into it. Start by separating 2 eggs. We'll only be using the yolks. In a bowl, mix 100 grams of milk with the egg yolks until smooth. Then add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour and stir again. Now move to the stove. In a pan, pour 253 grams of milk and turn on the heat. Immediately whisk in the egg mixture. Keep stirring continuously until it thickens into a smooth custard. Transfer it to a bowl and refrigerate for 3 hours to cool completely. In a new bowl, pour in 400 grams of whipping cream, that's about 2 cups. Whip it until soft peaks form. Next, add in a little more flavor, about half a cup of condensed milk and a sprinkle of vanilla powder. Now it's time to make caramel. Heat 1 cup of sugar in a pan until it melts and turns golden. Quickly pour it into a tray and let it cool into a crisp brittle. Now let's get back to the ice cream. Whip the mixture again after chilling. This helps trap air and keeps the texture smooth. Pop it back into the fridge for another 3 hours, then give it one final whip. Once the caramel has cooled, crush it into shards. Now pour your whipped cream base into a container. Top with the caramel brittle, toss in some chocolate chips and freeze it overnight until fully set. And there you have it. Ultra creamy caramel ice cream with rich caramel crunch in every bite and just a touch of chocolate to keep it fun. It's cold, it's decadent, and it's 100% homemade. No machine needed. If you're tempted to try this, hit the like button and tell me in the comments, are you team chocolate chips or caramel brittle? Don't forget to subscribe for more indulgent, easy to follow recipes you can whip up right at home.